Hello everyone, how are you? So today we are also going to discuss some facts of physics, some phenomenon of physics from the practical ground. We'll understand the facts, we'll understand the phenomenon practically. Also will solve some numericals from NEET and JEE obviously. So as I already told you that every time I have a tendency, I always try to explain, to understand every fact of physics experimentally, which is associated with our everyday life. As every time many students understand that physics is a subject which is only within the copy or within the book or within your or whatever maybe, but this subject is very much interesting subject and is with the practical field, in this related with the practical field everyday life. So last class we have discussed distance, displacement, speed and velocity. This class will understand what is acceleration. Acceleration, positive acceleration, negative acceleration, and also we'll try to understand what is uniform and non-uniform motion. So try to understand. I'm starting from this point. This is my reference. This is my reference point. This tree is the reference point, and I'm starting from this reference point, right? That is initially. Initially, I'm starting from this point, zero velocity and zero speed, right? As I'm starting from rest. Now I'm starting this bike and I'm moving in forward direction, right? And let us try to change the speed of my vehicle, my bike. Okay, how the acceleration will change, we'll discuss. You see, I'm moving in forward direction, right? I'm moving in forward direction. Now I can be here. Now how I will change the acceleration? What is this acceleration? If your speed will remain same, if the direction will remain same, whatever your initial velocity, yeah, initial speed, initial direction, final speed, final direction remains same, right? Means there is no acceleration. For acceleration, three things required, or yeah, three ways you may change the acceleration. First of all, as already all of we know, that by accelerating you may change the acceleration, right? So you may increase your speed. Now if I suddenly stop my bike, means it is also acceleration, though it is known as retardation. It is also acceleration. If I change the direction, then also there is acceleration. Means for acceleration, either there is increase in speed, or there is decrease in speed, or there is change in direction. In terms of speed, I repeat it again. Increase in speed, suppose 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second, I'm increasing my speed, there is acceleration. 20 meter per second to 10 meter per second, I'm decreasing my speed, there is also acceleration. I'm moving towards east, now I'm moving towards north, I'm moving towards south, I'm changing my direction, there is also acceleration. Acceleration means either there is change in magnitude or there is change in direction, correct? So here I'm trying to understand, we are trying to understand what is acceleration. Now come to this positive acceleration and negative acceleration. If the speed is increases from 0 meter per second to 20 meter per second to 30 meter per second to 100 meter per second, if I am increasing the speed, means it is positive acceleration. Now from higher speed like 40 meter per second, 30 meter per second to 20 meter per second to 0, I'm decreasing the speed, then means it is retardation, yeah, negative acceleration, right? Right? So let us solve one numericals from NEET, and then again we'll again discuss some problems of we'll discuss some topics, right? So let us see the NEET new problem. Okay, chalo. तो ये हुई कि ये हेलमेट को रख देता हूँ यहाँ पर एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. A body starts from rest, is moving under a constant acceleration with 20 up to 20 seconds. It is moving with constant acceleration for 20 seconds. If it moves s1 distance for first 10 seconds and s2 distance for next 10 seconds, that is for first 10 seconds s1, for next 10 seconds it is s2. s2 will be equal to, we have to find what is this s2. चलो and देख लिया ना. ओके राइट. चलो लेट अस सॉल्व. और मैं जब तक करूँ तो अब तक का आपका भी ड्यूटी क्या है? योर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट ऑल्सो, राइट, along with me. Okay, so the thing is that solution, what is given here? Here it is initially, what is the speed? No, it is for 20 seconds, right? For first 10 seconds s1, for next 10 seconds s2, right? So let us, we know s1 is equal to s1 s is equal to ut plus half at square, as already we know. As it is starting from rest, right? So initial velocity is 0, u is 0, plus half of a t square for 10 seconds, right now? So 10 second 10 square. Okay, then it is 100 by 2, 50, 50a. It is your s1, correct? s1 is 50a. Now we know, again we know, v square minus u square equal to twice as. So in place of s, it is s1 I am giving. So your v square again start, as it is starting from rest, 0 is equal to twice a. s1 in place of s1 it is 50a. So obviously v is equal to 100 square means 10a, right? So b is 10a. Now using this we will find s2. Let us try to find s2. So can I rub it? Okay, note it down and I am rubbing it. u2 is equal to, now initial from this point it is again starting, initially starting from rest to reaches the velocity 10a. Now from this 10a again going for 10 seconds, understand now? So now it is your, what is your initial velocity? It is your 10a. So velocity is 10a. What is time? t, ut हो गया, plus half of a. What is t square? As in both first case and second case, acceleration will remain same, but only difference is that in first case starting from 0 velocity and now I am starting from 10a velocity, right? a t square again for 10 seconds, right? So it is your 10 at plus 150a, right? So again time is 10 seconds. So it is ultimately s2 equal to 100a plus 50a, means 150a. 150a means 3 into 50a. What is 50a? It is already s1. So s2 is equal to 3s1. Understand now? Okay, I think you understand. If you face any difficulties, so definitely inform me. Okay, so let us try to understand the next topic. So let us try to understand what is uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So uniform motion means if an object is said to be moving in uniform motion, or its motion is said to be uniform motion, if its speed will remain same, that is, it is moving with same speed in the same direction. If there is no change in speed, there is no change in direction, continuously moving with same speed in the same direction, then we call it uniform motion. Whereas non-uniform motion is also there. Non-uniform motion means there is a change in speed or direction. Now we see another concept is there, uniform circular motion, non-uniform circular motion. That is something different from this one, where Earth's motion is also considered as uniform motion, though Earth or any object moving in a circular path, it is continuously changing its direction, but also treated as uniform motion. But in this here, we will consider uniform motion, where speed will remain same, direction also will remain same. If any change in speed means magnitude or direction, it is we call it non-uniform. Uniform, it is moving with same speed in the same direction. So some contradiction is there with the linear and with the circular maybe. So I think suppose I'm moving along this straight line, okay, and every time I'm covering 10 meter in 1 second. 10 meter in 1 second, every time 10 meter in 1 second in the same direction, then my motion is treated as uniform motion, right? Because every time I'm covering every 1 second 10 meter, every 1 second 10 meter, and so my motion is treated as uniform motion. Understand? Now if anyone, suppose I'm 10 meter in 1 second, then 10 meter in half second, then 10 meter in 5 second, if it is like that, that is unequal in distance in equal interval or equal distance in unequal interval, that time we call it variable speed, right? And if there is change in direction or magnitude, obviously we call it variable velocity also, right? So this is your uniform and non-uniform motion, right? So let us solve another numericals from NEET. Okay, चलो देखते हैं NEET में कैसे as I already told you every time that you have to go through every topic thoroughly, deeply, to crack NEET, to crack Z, right? So question is that the distance traveled by a particle starting from rest and moving with an acceleration 4 by 3 meter per second in third second is, okay, so distance traveled by a particle starting from rest, initially at rest, and moving with an acceleration 4 by 3 meter per second square. Acceleration is 4 by 3 meter per second. We have to find third second, fourth second, fifth second, nth second. We can find the value also for nth second because we know nth formula for displacement. So chalo, let us try to solve it. As all of we know that solution S nth is equal to u plus a by 2 twice and minus 1. Now we have to find S nth, S for third, right? U plus starting from rest. I think your acceleration is maybe 3 by 4, I think, by 2, right? 2 into 3 minus 1, right? Then 3 by 8, right? 5 minus 6 minus 1, 5. 15 by 8, right? I'm not confirmed that what is the acceleration, right? So if it is 3 by 4, right, then it will be the answer, right? And what is the acceleration? 4 by 3. It is 4 by 3. Okay, 4 by 3. Then if it is 4 by 3, then obviously it will be 4 by 6, right? Okay, 20 by 6, then obviously 10 by 3, right? Meter, 10 by 3 meter. So this is the solution, 10 by 3 meter. Hope you will understand, right? So as every time I already told you that one thing is that positive attitude is very much important to crack Z or NEET or any, for any successful person. Behind every successful person one thing is very much sure, you that positive attitude is there. Without positive attitude you can't. अगर तुम में पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड नहीं कि मैं ये कर पाऊंगा, नीट क्रैक कर पाऊंगा, जी क्रैक कर पाऊंगा, तो डेफिनेटली विल क्रैक नीट और क्रैक जी। और एनी सक्सेसफुल पर्सन, किसी सक्सेसफुल पर्सन के पीछे क्या सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात होती है कि वही पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड। तो पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड से, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलना कि हाँ मैं कर पाऊंगा, आई विल क्रैक नीट, आई विल क्रैक जी, डेफिनेटली यू विल क्रैक इट। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। बाय बाय एवरीवन, विल मीट विद यू अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक एंड नॉट द हियर रिवर विल will solve relative velocity problem in a boat on the next episode। आज के लिए बाय बाय एवरीवन, बाय बाय।